Okay, okay, I want to make sure that we understand when you're completing your Excel documents, they need to be done in formulas. For example, here is the grade assignment, which is one of the first ones. Even though it says in the instructions to do the formulas, some of you didn't do it, and I want to make sure you understand. So for example, when I want to do a formula, there's multiple ways to do it. So I'm just going to show you both ways on this video. So I want to find the average of the cells that go from across for per student. So one way to do formulas is I can do equals, and then I kind of start typing what I want mathematically, like sum, product for multiplication, or this one I'm finding average. So if I start typing average, you'll notice it comes up and says average. I click on this, and it tells me equals average with parentheses. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight the cells. So notice it says equals average B3 to E3. That means it's going to take the cells from column B, row 3, through column E, row 3, and find the average. Okay? That is called using cell reference because it's using the address of the cell. Then I'm going to hit enter. All right, and then I can do that again, or I can use what's called the fill handle to fill my formulas down. So that means I go back and I make sure the cell's selected, not where my cursor's in it, but just selected. And you'll notice right here my plus sign's like a thick white plus sign. If I move my cursor to the bottom right-hand corner, it becomes a thick black plus sign. I'm going to click, hold my mouse down, and drag down. And then when I let go, it copies the formula down. Okay? So if I click, let's say on F5, if you'll notice up here in the bar, it gives you the formula saying it's finding the average of B5 to E5, and so on. If you click down, B6 to E6. Okay, so that's one way to find the average. The other way is I'll show you to go down. Okay, you're going to highlight the column I want to find the average of, and then I go up here where you see that E on the home row, and I click that arrow, and then average is right there. So I'm going to click on it, and voila, it's now found the average of B3 through B8. We did get a warning on this one, so let's click and see what it says. It says omits adjacent cells, so that means that it's reading these as numbers and wants to know if that's okay. We have the average of the ones we want, so I'm going to click ignore error. And then again, I can do the fill handle. I put my cursor in the bottom right-hand corner so I get that thin black plus sign, and I drag it across. Okay, feel free to watch this video multiple times. I guess I should say that this right here, when you're copying the formula, sometimes it goes, do you want to copy the cells, fill format only, or fill without formatting? Okay, so we'll just choose fill without formatting. Okay? Is there any questions? Okay, feel free to email me if you have any questions. All right, thank you.